Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your English literature class. I hope you all are doing good, dear students. And today we will start a new lesson, and the lesson is The Pied Piper of Hamelin by Robert Browning. By Robert Browning. Good morning, students of class 2. Welcome back to your English literature class. Today we will do a new lesson, and the lesson is The Pied Piper of Hamelin. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Let's start reading this new lesson today, and I will also be explaining it to you. Long, long ago, in the town of Hamelin, there were many rats. Some rats were big, some small, some fat, some thin, some young, and some old. Now, this is a story about a place called Hamelin. What is the place? Hamelin. And in that place, there were many rats. ये जगह है, इस जगह का नाम है Hamelin. और यहाँ पे बहुत से rats हैं, चूहे थे. And some rats were big. कुछ rats बड़े थे. In size they were big. Some were small, छोटे थे. And some were fat, मोटे थे. Some thin, पतले थे. Some young, जवान थे, मतलब बूढ़े नहीं थे. ओके. And some old, और कुछ बूढ़े rats थे. हर प्रकार के, every kind of rats, all kind of rats were there in this place called Hamelin. These rats were everywhere. Now, what was the problem? The problem was there were many rats, all kinds of rats, and they were everywhere, all around the place. Now let's see where all they were: in shops, in houses, in fields, and in farms. The people of Hamelin wanted to get rid of the rats. Now, the biggest problem for the people of Hamelin was that they were very now fed up with the rats, because these rats were everywhere. They were in shops, दुकानों में, in houses, घरों में, in fields, मैदानों में, and in farms. Okay, जहाँ पे खेती की जाती, हर जगह थे. And what do you think rats do? Do you have rats in your home? What do they do? डू यू लाइक टू हैव देम इन योर होम? क्या आपको अच्छा लगता है जब वो आपके घर में होते हैं? क्या वो साफ़ सफाई करते हैं आपके घर में? क्या डू द रैट्स क्लीन योर हाउस, और डू दे डिस्ट्रॉय? Yes, the rats destroy. They destroy many things, our clothes, our food, many things, and they can cause also many diseases. Rats can cause many diseases. So it's not very good to have rats in our home. Okay, अगर आपके घर में rats है तो please उसको भगा दीजिएगा, क्योंकि वो अच्छे नहीं होते. They are not good. They can make you sick, and they can tear your clothes. Okay, and they can do lot of destruction in the house. And these rats were, I'm sure, creating lot of destruction and were destroying the places. Maybe when they were in the shops, जब वो शॉप्स में होते होंगे, they might be eating things, they might be eating the packets and destroying everything. And they might be in their houses, okay, in kitchens, and tearing all the clothes, and and making everything bad, look bad. In fields, they might be causing a problem in the fields, in the farms, and destroying the plants and other things also. And the people of Hamelin wanted to get rid of the rats. What do you mean by get rid of? Get rid of means be free from something. Get rid of means be free from something, किसी चीज़ से छुटकारा पाना. Get rid of. For example, if you have a pet and it has become very old, and it has become उसको कोई बीमारी हो गई है, and sometimes our parents want to get rid of it. उससे छुटकारा पाना चाहते हैं, कोई ऐसी चीज़ है ना जिससे आप छुटकारा पाना चाहते हैं. So the people of Hamelin wanted to get rid of these rats. And what did I tell you? The meaning of get rid of means be free from something. Okay, now let's read. What can we do? The people of Hamelin talked to each other, began to talk among each other, and they said, what can we do? Let us go and tell the mayor. Now, who is a mayor? A mayor is the head of the town. Okay, who is a mayor? A mayor is the head of the town. In our place, Lucknow, there is a mayor. Do you know the mayor of Lucknow? She is Sayukti Bhatia. Okay, Sayukti Bhatia, and she is the mayor of Lucknow. But we will see about this mayor of Hamlin. What did he do? Was he able to help the people of Hamlin, or was he not? So, what can we do? Let us go and tell the mayor to do something, said the people of the town sadly. But the mayor not do could do nothing. These people of Hamlin, they went to their mayor. Okay, a mayor is a person who takes care of the town, takes care of the place. He is the head. Okay, and so these people, these sad people, people who were upset, they went to the mayor and they said, mayor, please, we want to do something, we want to get rid of these rats. वो गए मेयर के पास और उन्होंने कहा हम इन चूहों से हम छुटकारा पाना चाहते, कुछ बताइए कि क्या किया जा सकता है. बट द मेयर कुड डू नथिंग. बट वो जो मेयर था वो कुछ नहीं कर पाया. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड फर्दर. One day, a strange man came to the town and met the mayor. He said, I can rid your town of rats. What do you mean by strange? Strange means not seen before or unusual. A person you have not met before, somebody you have met for the first time. Stranger. ओके, अब ऐसे लोग जो अनजान होते हैं, जिन्हें आप जानते नहीं हैं, और आपने अपने मम्मी पापा से सुना होगा, योर पेरेंट्स माइट बी सेइंग टू यू, गिविंग यू इंस्ट्रक्शंस दैट डोंट टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स. ऐसे लोगों से बात मत करिए जिनको आप नहीं जानते. ओके, स्ट्रेंज मीन्स अनयूजुअल और नॉट सीन बिफोर. सो दिस स्ट्रेंज मैन केम टू द टाउन of Hamlin and he went to the mayor. He came to know about the problem. उसको पता चला शायद कि इस टाउन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है और यहाँ पे रैट्स की प्रॉब्लम है और लोग परेशान हैं. तो वो अपने आप से गया और उसने जो है लोगों से मेयर से कहा कि मैं हेल्प कर सकता हूँ इन रैट्स से छुटकारा पाने के लिए. आई कैन हेल्प यू. द मेयर सेड हैप्पीली, आई विल पे यू वॉट एवर यू आस्क. और मेयर वो बहुत खुश हो गया. द मेयर बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. ही सेड ओके, वेरी गुड, आई विल पे वॉट एवर यू आस्क. और मेयर बहुत खुश हो गया ये बात सुन के कि कोई उनकी हेल्प करना चाहता. द मेयर वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड हैप्पीली ही सेड कि जो तुम मांगोगे वो मैं तुम्हें दूंगा, जितना तुम पैसे मांगोगे मैं तुम्हें दूंगा. आई विल पे यू. सो the strange man played a tune on his pipe. Okay, this is the pipe. Can you see the pipe? This is the Pied Piper. Okay, and he is playing this pipe. This is an instrument that is played. Okay, so that Pied Piper, this strange man was a Pied Piper. Okay, so the strange man played a tune on his pipe and all the rats quickly came running after him. Now what happened? As soon as this strange man, this Pied Piper, began to play a tune, okay, एक राग उसने अपनी पाइप पे प्ले करना शुरू करी, and all the rats quickly came running after him. सारे जितने भी चूहे, wherever they were, and what kind of rats they were. There were big rats, small rats, thin rats, fat rats, every kind of rats, old rats, young rats, and they were in the shops, they were in the fields, they were in the farms, everywhere they were, in the houses. They all came running, every kind, and from everywhere they came running, and they came running after him. After whom? The Pied Piper. They followed him as he played his pipe softly. What do you mean by followed? Went after. Followed means किसी के पीछे पीछे जाना. किसके पीछे जा रहे थे? Who were they following? The Pied Piper, the strange man, and followed him as he played his pipe softly. And as the Pied Piper was playing the pipe softly, they were also following him until he came to the river. Okay, and till this strange man kept playing the tune on his pipe until he came to the river. And what was the name of the river? The name of the river was Vesser. What was the name of the river? Vesser. And then they jumped into the river and were drowned. And as they were hearing to this tune, they came near this river. Who? The rats. Okay, the thin rats, the fat rats, the old, the young, the small rats, all rats, they jumped into the river and were drowned. वो उसके पीछे पीछे आ रहे थे, उस पाइट पाइपर के पीछे, वो अपनी धुन बजा रहा था और एक रिवर पे आके, रिवर का नाम था वेसर, और वो कूद गए, वो सारे रैट्स उसमें कूद गए और डूब गए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ड्राउंड? ड्राउंड, दिस इज ड्राउंड. ड्राउंड मीन्स डूब जाना, पानी के नीचे चले जाना, और सारे रैट्स मर गए. ऑल द रैट्स डाइड. नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड फर्दर. When the Pied Piper came to the mayor to take his payment, the mayor refused to give him any. "Go away," he said. "I will teach you a lesson," replied the Pied Piper angrily. Now something bad happened. Okay, now this Pied Piper went to the mayor. Mayor ने उससे कहा था कि जब ये सब हो जाएगा और मैं तुम्हें पे करूँगा अगर सारे रैट्स मर गए. तो पाइड पाइपर मेयर के पास गया. ही वेंट टू द मेयर एंड ही आस्क्ड फॉर हिज पेमेंट. और उसने कहा कि मुझे पैसे दो जो मैंने रैट्स को मारा. बट द मेयर वॉज मीन. ही वॉज नॉट गुड. द मेयर रिफ्यूज्ड. What did the mayor do? He refused. What do you mean by refused? Refused means मना करना. Refused means मना कर दिया कि मैं तुम्हें पैसे नहीं दूंगा. Go away. तुम यहाँ से जाओ. मेयर ने बहुत ख़राब काम किया. He was bad. He should have fulfilled the promise. He had promised that he would give him his payment, whatever the Pied Piper would ask. But he refused and he said, "Go away," the mayor said. Then what did the Pied Piper say? The Pied Piper was also very angry. Okay, "I will teach you a lesson," replied the Pied Piper angrily. What happens when sometimes when somebody promises you that I will do this for you and later on they don't do it? Don't you feel sad? एंड डोंट यू फील एंग्री? जब आप किसी के साथ कुछ अच्छा करते हैं और वो पर्सन भी आपसे कहता है चलो मैं तुमसे, या आप किसी के साथ ना भी कुछ अच्छा करें, या नॉर्मली भी कोई आपसे कहता है कि मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ या करती हूँ, मैं तुम्हारे लिए ऐसा करूँगी या करूँगा, और वो नहीं करता, तो कैसा लगता है आपको? हाउ डू यू फील? बुरा लगता है, गुस्सा आता है. यू फील सैड, यू फील एंग्री. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एंग्री? एंग्री मीन्स टू बी सैड. एंड द पाइड पाइपर सेड, "आई विल टीच यू अ लेसन." और पाइड पाइपर उससे कहता है मैं तुम्हें सबक सिखाऊंगा मेयर, जो तुमने मेरे साथ किया है. एंड ही सेड दिस एंग्रीली. एंग्रीली मीन्स सेड दिस इन अ एंग्री वॉइस. उसने एक गुस्से की आवाज़ में ये बात कही. So this time the Pied Piper played a different tune. Now there was something going in the Pied Piper's mind. He played a different tune. उसने एक अलग सी राग बजाई. And slowly the little children came out of their houses and started following him. They ran after him merrily. What do you mean by merrily? Merrily means happily, खुशी के साथ. And went away from their town, never to come back again. Now something very bad happened. Now the Pied Piper was angry, and so he took revenge, and he said that I will teach the mayor a lesson. And what he did, he played a different tune. उसने एक अलग धुन बजाई. Slowly the little children came out. और जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे थे घरों में, इन्हीं घरों में, हैम्लिन जहाँ पे ये जगह है हैम्लिन में, और वो छोटे छोटे बच्चे सब अपने घरों के बाहर आने लगे और उस पाइड पाइपर को फॉलो करने लगे. नाउ दीज चिल्ड्रन who lived in Hamlin came out of their houses when they heard the tune which the Pied Piper was playing. They ran after him merrily. और वो उसके पीछे पीछे दौड़ने लगे. Ran means दौड़ना, merrily खुशी के साथ. They were running after this Pied Piper merrily, happily, and following him, and went away from their town. और अपने शहर से बाहर चले गए. Okay, never to come back again. And those children never came back again. The Pied Piper took them somewhere and the children could never come back. Now this is a story that how the mayor promised. Okay, there were rats and everybody was upset. They went to the mayor. The mayor said, okay, he did not have any solution for it, but then a strange man came. This strange man said, okay, I will help you. And he helped them, and all the rats went away. They drowned. But when this Pied Piper went back to the mayor, he said that Go away from here. I am not going to give you anything. He did not do what he promised. So the Pied Piper became angry and he played another tune. And now the children of Hamlin began to follow him and went after him. And but what happened? They went away from the town and never came back. So the Pied Piper took a revenge. ओके उसने एक बदला ले लिया. उसने कहा मैं सबक सिखाऊंगा और वो उनके बच्चों को लेके चला गया. बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन थिंग चिल्ड्रन वेरी दैट नेवर टेक रिवेंज. कभी भी रिवेंज मत लीजिए. कोई भी आपके साथ कितना भी बुरा करे. इस स्टोरी भी जरूर एक स्टोरी है. दिस इज अ स्टोरी बट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू समथिंग. यू नेवर टेक रिवेंज. The end, I personally don't like the ending of the story and I would encourage all of you. मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहती हूँ मुझे स्टोरी की जबकि हमारे सिलेबस में पर मुझे स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी नहीं लगती क्योंकि जो पाइड पाइपर होता है वो रिवेंज लेता है. पर मैं आप सबसे कहना चाहती हूँ आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू नेवर टेक रिवेंज. कभी भी बदला ना ले क्योंकि वो एक अच्छी बात नहीं होती. आजकल हम फिल्मों में भी इन फिल्म्स एंड सीरियल्स टुडे वी सी दैट पीपल टेक रिवेंज. वो बदला लेते हैं पर ये एक अच्छी बात नहीं है. हमें बदला नहीं लेना चाहिए. वी शुड नेवर टेक रिवेंज. वी शुड फॉरगिव. हमें माफ़ करना है एंड वी शुड ब्लेस अदर्स who do not help us, people who do not help us, people who say bad things about us. We should just forgive them and bless them. Even people who promised us something but did not do, we should also bless them and forgive them. Okay children, I hope you understood the story of the lesson. God bless you.